Come with me and ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang mga nangyari kahapon sa album concert ng Seven Sense by Philip. So, yeah, I am actually a Superior Pass ticket holder. So, this is our entrance. Pinapasok kami around 4 p.m. before the concert. So, yan, as you can see, it's very different. Very Philip talaga. Later, we would see it close up and meron din tayong access sa backstage. Pero ito, pakinggan muna natin si Philip kung bakit ito ba yung pagkakagawa ng stage niya.
Everything on the stage, lights, and feel of the space has been created as how I imagine it. Everything on the stage, lights and feel of the space has been created as how I imagine it. Sana ma-enjoy nyo itong stage tour at ang concert tonight. Sa totoo lang, part lang ito ng stage na nai-imagine ko. Kakaiba, maangas, and for sure, mas kakaiba sa susunod. Wala namang kwento talaga ito pero masaya ako na out of the box din ang pag-design ng first stage ng solo concert ko for Seven Sins. Seven Sins for me is very personal and alam niyo naman I express myself through songs and music. This is also why the stage was built in this way para makapag-express din ako ng sarili ko sa stage mamaya through my performances. I hope that after this concert, you'll gain more appreciation for the album and this piece of art that we created together. Thank you sa inyong lahat at sana ma-enjoy niyo yung show mamaya. See you later!
And there you have it. After that, pinuksan na nila yung lights so we can finally see kung ano ba talaga yung mga small details ng stage. And we also got the chance to enter backstage. Dito nangyayari yung lahat ng magic. Nakita din namin yung pinto ni Philip. Merong urge na gusto mong buksan pero syempre bawal. And there's some of the things, especially yung mic na gagamitin ni Philip and also the quick change area. Nakita din namin with some of the chairs ng mga guest artists like Syra and Player 2. Here, nandito na ako sa unahan. Of course, and while we are waiting, grabe na talaga yung anticipation ng mga fans, 18 and CCO. And after the concert, it was incredible. Meron pa kaming percent off kay Philip at isa-isa niya kaming kinamayan. And here are the merch that is included on the Superior Pass ticket. Of course, hindi kasama yung light stick, but we have that bag. We also have poster, physical copy of the ticket. We also have a exclusive photo card and also an ID for Superior Pass. Overall, it was a great experience. Sulit na sulit talaga yung Superior Pass and it's really a memorable event for me. Here, outro lang ng 18 and CCO kumakanta sa Fake Faces ni Philip. Hope to see you guys in the next event!